Welcome to my next video, similarity. In this video we will see theorem of areas of similar triangles and practice set 1.4. Okay. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. Statement: when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Here it is given that two triangles are similar. Now consider triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and construct the diagram. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR in which AD perpendicular BC and PS perpendicular QR. Here we have to prove the ratio of areas of these two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. That means it is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. These are the ratio of squares of the corresponding sides of these two triangles. Now proof. We know that ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. That we will write as BC upon QR multiplied by AD upon PS. That is equation number 1. Now in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle B congruent angle Q that is given. Angle ADB is equal to angle PSQ, each of 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABD similar triangle PQS by AA test. Therefore AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ, corresponding sides of similar triangle. But triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR because of corresponding sides of similar triangle. Therefore from 1, 2 and 3 we can write as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into QR into AD upon PS. That is equation number 1. Now BC upon QR remains as it is. Now changing AD upon PS with BC upon QR, we get BC square upon QR square. That is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to AC square upon PR square from equation 3. Now practice set 1.4. First problem. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Solution. Consider triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Therefore, areas of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square. That means AB upon PQ whole square. Ratio of areas of similar triangles. That is equal to 3 upon 5 whole square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to 9 upon 25. Okay. Second problem. If triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and AB as to PQ is equal to 2 as to 3, then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon dash is equal to 2 square upon 3 square is equal to dash upon dash. Now answer. If triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and AB as to P is equal to 2 as to 3, it is given as the two triangles are similar. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square because ratio of areas of similar triangles. is equal to 2 square upon 3 square. It is given is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 upon 3 square is equal to 9. The answer will be 4 upon 9. Third problem, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 80. Area of triangle PQR equal to 125. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle dash is equal to 80 upon 125. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to dash upon dash. Solution. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is given 80. Area of triangle PQR is given 125. As two triangles are similar, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, because ratio of areas of similar triangle. Now keeping the values, we get 80 upon 125 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Now simplifying this, we get 16 upon 25 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Taking square root on both sides, we get AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. Next problem, triangle element similar triangle PQR. 9 times area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 times area of triangle LMN. If QR equal to 20, then find MN. Solution. Triangle element similar triangle PQR. 9 times area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 times area of triangle LMN given. Therefore, we get area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN equal to 16 upon 9. As triangle PQR and LMN are similar, therefore ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding side. Therefore, we can write QR square upon MN square is equal to 16 upon 9, ratio of areas of similar triangle. Therefore, taking square root on both sides, we get QR upon MN is equal to 4 upon 3. As QR is 20, putting the value of QR, we get 20 upon Mn is equal to 4 upon 3. On cross multiplication, we get 20 into 3 is equal to 4 into Mn. Therefore, 20 into 3 upon 4 is equal to Mn. On simplification, we get Mn equal to 15 units. Okay. Fifth problem. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of a smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of the bigger triangle. We know that for similar triangles, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, according to this theorem, area of bigger triangle upon area of smaller triangle is equal to side of bigger triangle square upon corresponding side of smaller triangle square. Putting the values, we get 225 upon 81 is equal to side of bigger triangle square upon 12 square. Now taking square root on both sides, we get square root of 225 is equal to 15 and square root of 81 is equal to 9. Therefore, on the left hand side, we get 15 upon 9 is equal to side of bigger triangle divided by 12. On simplification, we get side of bigger triangle is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Sixth problem. Triangle ABC and triangle DE are equilateral triangles. If ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 and AB equal to 4, find DE. Solution. We know that all equilateral triangles are similar to each other by AAA test, that is AAA test, by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square. Therefore, on putting the values, we get 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 square upon DE square. On taking square root on both sides, we get 1 upon root 2 is equal to 4 upon D. After simplification, we get D is equal to 4 root 2 units. Okay. Seventh problem. In figure, segment PQ parallel segment D, area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 units. PF equal to 2dp, then find area of quadrilateral DPQE by completing the following activity. Area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 units. PF is equal to 2dp. Let us assume dp equal to x. Therefore, PF equal to 2x. In figure, DF equal to dp plus PF, as P is in between D and F. Next, dp is equal to x and PF is equal to 2x. Therefore, x plus 2x is equal to 3x. In triangle FD and triangle FPQ, angle FDE congruent angle FPQ, corresponding angles. Angle FED congruent angle FQP, these are also corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle FD is similar triangle FPQ by AA test. Therefore, area of triangle FD upon area of triangle FPQ is equal to square of the corresponding sides of these triangles. Therefore, we get FD square upon FP square. On putting the values, we get 3x square upon 2x square is equal to 9 upon 4. X gets cancelled. After cross multiplication, we get area of triangle FD is equal to 9 upon 4 multiplied by area of triangle FPQ, 9 upon 4 into 20. It is given. Area of triangle FPQ is equal to 20. It is given. Therefore, on simplification, we get is equal to 45. Now, area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to area of triangle FDE minus area of triangle FPQ. On putting the values, we get 45 minus 20. Therefore, area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to 25 units. Okay.